Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Hey, today we're going to take a look at the Imperial Watch Company's Royal Guard 200. Really nice piece indeed. Little quick story, my friend Aaron Dunlop from the OFD channel sent me two watches out for review, and one of them was a watch identical to this. I liked it so much I just packed it up and sent it back to him, and I bought one myself. Just had to have one of these guys. So this is a non-paid review and a great watch indeed. Hey, let's jump right into this. This watch does have a 14mm thickness case, 38mm case diameter, 47mm lug to lug, and a 20mm lug width this way. So yeah, this is a 3/16L stainless steel case, very well constructed, looks good, looks sharp. For the most part, brushed here. It does have a nice polished beveled edge or chamfer on both sides of the case. Very eye-catching indeed. It definitely caught my eye, that's for sure. It does have a nice big crown on the side, a 7.5mm crown with some really good action there. And if you notice there, it does have the Imperial Watch Company logo engraved on the end of it there. Very nice. Another thing that caught my eye on this watch was the vintage style domed sapphire crystal. It just looks really sharp. Yeah, I like that too. It does have some anti-reflective coating underneath there, so it is quite bright in the studio here. You might get some reflection, but they've done a very good job on that. 120 click bezel. This is an aluminum bezel, and you can hear that action on there. Very nice action. Very smooth to operate. Yeah, I like it for sure. Anyway, I went past the mark there. Sorry, guys. And as you notice, everything lines up perfect. Let me give it one more click there. Yeah, real nice action, really good looking bezel, and lines up perfect. Come on, you don't even get that with Seiko, guys. So anyway, they did add some gray to this black, give it that vintage style look. This is called a faded black. I think they have some other faded colors. They had a green, a blue, and I think there was a red. I'll leave a link to their webpage below so you can definitely check that out yourself. I'm gonna pull this watch up here close so you can check out the dial. Midnight black dial. Really nice hands too. It has the gilt pointed hands with that lollipop second hand covering the 5-minute markers. All perfectly. Check that out. Really cool. Has Imperial Watch Company right below the 12 o'clock position. Date complication at the 3 o'clock position. And you have Royal Guard right above the 6 o'clock position. That Royal Guard 200 meter water resistance, or 656 feet. I'm going to throw a loom shot up for you there in the corner. They've done a really nice job on the loom. They call it the Swiss vintage loom. It's very close to the C3 loom. I'll let you guys be the judge of that. So again, really nice job on the loom. Nice job overall on this guy. It's running the automatic Seiko caliber H35 movement. I love the power reserve on this. It's a 41-hour power reserve. Hacking and hand winding. The bracelet, check this out. Polished and brushed. This bracelet's, like I said, 20mm up here, tapering down to the 16mm. Really nice. Failed to mention they have drilled lugs there in this case for quick band swaps. Nice feature for sure. Double push button locking clasp with the Imperial Watch logo on the clasp there. Open this up so you can see it. And while we're there, check out that. See if I can get a nice shot here. Yeah, nice clean, crisp screw down case back with the Royal Guard logo engraved there. Just Imperial Watch Company, automatic, listed on the back. Very nicely done. I like this watch overall, that's for sure. I don't know if I mentioned it was a limited edition piece. I think there was 70 pieces overall, 40 with no date, 25 with date. So yeah, they went really fast. Hey, let's get this on my wrist for a wrist shot. All right, guys, there you have it on my 7-inch wrist. It looks good. I did fail to mention, if you can see that there, it does have some micro adjustments on the clasp to, fit your wrist just perfect. Customize it right to your wrist. Yeah, just overall incredible watch. I really do like the look of this watch overall. I'm going to leave a link, like I said, to their webpage below. You can go check it out. The owner of the company, Ben, you can read his story and how this brand came about also. It's a very good read for sure. Hey, I hope you liked this review. Very good watch. If they come out with some more of these, if he releases some more, I recommend it. Absolutely. Hey, I hope you guys are having a great day. And as always, stay well.